crew is requested that all guests, I repeat, all guests, remain in their seats with their seatbelts securely fastened until the aircraft comes to a complete stop at the gate. Both engines have been shut down and the fasten seatbelt sign has been turned off. That will be a one and only indication that it is safe for you to move about the cabin. Once we do arrive at the gate, please use caution in opening the overhead compartments as some of those signage may shift during flight or landing. If you have questions about ground transportation or baggage claim, a uniformed Delta agent leading this flight will be more than happy to assist you. Please remain seated with your seatbelt securely fastened. Thank you. If you have your cell phones within arm's reach, you may retrieve them, call your loved ones and colleagues, and tell them to hurry as you're a little bit ahead of schedule today. On behalf, you need to stay in your seat, keep the bin closed, sit down, put the bag back in the bin, put the bag back into the bin. That's not a request. Thank you. Come on, ladies and gentlemen, we're almost there. Let's not ruin a beautiful flight now. On behalf of the 80,000 Delta employees serving worldwide, we'd like to say thank you for flying with us today, folks. In a few days, a few of you on today's flight might be receiving an email link from Delta Airlines. Here at Delta, we pride ourselves in excellent customer service, and the only way for us to know how we're doing is to get you true and honest feedback. So if you do get this link to a survey, we appreciate you taking the 5 to 10 minutes and let us know about your in-flight experience. They're going to be asking you to rate your cabin crew. We ask that you rate us accordingly based on their experience on today's flight. 1 being the lowest rating you can give to a crew member, 5 being the highest. Once again, 5, excellent. I love you guys. On behalf of the 80,000, especially the 3 New York City-based crew members and your 2 Detroit pilots, it was a pleasure having you on board today's flight. And we hope that in the very near future, we're going to see you again on another Delta flight, including those 2 people that have family that work for Continental in the back. We'll let you slide this time. Welcome to Miami, folks.